welcome back to Feral Art. Let's paint!
Okay, so I thought that was a pretty good idea that I had the other day to do a Dutch pour today, since I've made such a fuss about a Dutch pour being one thing and a blowout being another. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Same colors as last time. Going to try to make this just as close as I can to the other one so that we have good parameters for looking at them together and noting the similarities and the differences. All right, all of my colors will be in my description box. So this is the Amsterdam Onyx Black. Amsterdam Titanium White. Amsterdam Phthalo Blue. Looking quite beige. Got me deep in the haze. There's no more compassion. No. Golden Quinacridone Magenta. Raise me. I need something fast. Artist Loft Soft Body White with some Vallejo Pearl Medium US Floetrol. I need something to last and give satisfaction. No. Amsterdam Azo Yellow Deep. Help me grab his right arm. Help me, I'll take the left. Oh, help me interrogate. Now, the difference between a Dutch pour and a blowout is I'm going to take some of this slate blue color that I made and I'm going to pour it along the outside as much as I can. I don't have a whole lot left. And you blow that color then over these colors, then you blow it out. How big is your love? Tell me, how high is your patience? There's that. You take your blow dry. I'm just going to put this on low cool to do this part. Can I be saved? I want to catch the wave. How big is your love? Tell me, how high is your patience? Can I be saved? I want to catch the wave. Hey, all this fake news. Tell me, what is the use? Tell me, there's no more. Okay, that has kind of scrunched everything up and blown some of the blue over. Now we're going to blow it out on high cool. Passion, no. Come and find me under these layers, among these taxpayers. There's no satisfaction, no. I said, help me, help myself, forgive me, down from the shelf.
is your love? Tell me, how high is your patience? Can I be saved? I wanna catch the wave. How big is your love? Tell me, how high is your patience? Can I be saved? I wanna catch the wave. Now, how big is your love? Tell me, how high is your patience? Can I be saved? I wanna catch the wave.
Okay, now we're gonna torch again. Okay, if you notice now, you may not remember because it's been a few days, this one is a lot softer. The colors are all there, but they're just a lot more constrained. I really like it. I like blowouts and Dutch pours. I just find them to be incredibly different from one another, which is fine. I don't have a problem with that at all. But I'm going to get these sides and edges and then I'll bring you in. Okay, here are the wet results from our Dutch pour. Now, let's just say I love both. I've probably said that 15 times already. But I do. But I love them for different reasons. To my eye, a Dutch pour is much softer. The colors are not as pronounced. I think they are beautiful. But they're just different, you guys. They're different because of the technique. They're different because of the look. They're different because of the name. You know, they're different but the same. Sort of like people. We're all different, but we're all the same. So yeah, anyway, let's not get off on that. But we did get some really nice cells here. That's from the Vallejo Pro Medium, I believe. That's usually what it does. You can see the similarities. They are different. I am okay with that. I like it that way. I like the fact that if I want something vivid, I'll do a blowout. If I want something soft and pretty, I will do a Dutch pour. They are different. So, I'll be back to see you guys when this is dry, along with the one that I did for Monday, which is also dry, so that we can compare dry results. Okay? All right, I'll see you in about 5 seconds your time and about 2.5 days mine. Okay, here are the dry results of my Dutch pour. It did travel a little bit as it dried. There was a little much paint left as far as the base paint went, so it did take a little trip, but it mostly looks like it did. It's just a little bigger. So anyway, let's get up here and have a look. See how diffuse the colors are? I really like it. I think it's very pretty. It's very soft. Has some interesting effects happening in there. And overall, it's just really a pretty painting, I think. Love all these colors. I love my base color. I like these little like explosions of color that happen in a very soft, sort of subtle way with the Dutch pour. So let's get out our dry results from our blowout. All right, and here are our blowout results. As you can see, they're similar in shape, not exactly the same, but I dare you to go ahead and try to replicate one of your paintings, okay? Okay, anyway, here we go. The colors in this one are a little different. The lines are a little crisper. This one also didn't move while it dried, but even if it had, it would still be representative of this look. It would just be a little bigger. So here is our blowout result. Now, let me see if I can get these up here side by side. That's going to be a trick. And we can compare and contrast. Okay, I've done what I can. Over here, this is our blowout. Over here, where's my finger? There's our Dutch pour. Can you see the difference? Now, it is sort of a subtle difference, but not really. You can see the much more flowy, subtle look of the Dutch pour. Sorry, the corner of my blowout's under the shadow of the overhang. They're just different. The blowout is much more pronounced lines, and the Dutch pour is much more diffuse. I can definitely see a difference. The colors in the blowout are much more vivid, where they're much more subtle in the Dutch pour. And that's the difference. That's the difference that it makes when you blow your base color over your river of colors to blow. So I hope that you can see the difference. I hope that, this all makes sense. And I hope that you've enjoyed these two videos, because I sure have. So, before you go, if you just make sure that subscribe button is pushed, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. I'll get back to you, I always do. And yeah, that hype feature is kind of cool. I think it makes the algorithm push the videos a little harder. So anyway, there you go. Blowout on the left, Dutch pour on the right. So I hope that clears things up or makes things a little clearer or something. So yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Sure do love you. Bye.
How big is your love? Tell me, how high is your patience? Okay.